Before you spend a single dollar at a big garden center this May, you might want to stop right here at the Dollar Tree first, because I just found 10 things in here that can upgrade your garden, your harvest, and your kitchen for a fraction of the price. And some of y'all are still sleeping on Dollar Tree like it's just party supplies. No ma'am, not in May, not in growing season. And boom, as soon as I walked in, I saw these solar lights. Anybody who knows me, you know I love solar lights. Now these I love for ambiance and function. Line your garden beds, light your pathways, but also it helps you to actually see your garden in the evening. And when you see it, you're more likely to go out there. And when you go out there, you take care of it. When you're in the Dollar Tree, hit up the storage section. Bins, baskets, this is how you stay organized. A good system will keep your garden going. A colorful bucket with handles, not bad for $3. And 3 assorted colors to choose from. Listen carefully. This is not just for the house. These containers, this is how you store your greens, wash your harvest, and prep your meals. Garden to table starts with what you do after you pick. Don't walk past this thinking it's just for pasta. This right here is a whole garden tool, hiding in plain sight. This is a harvest basket, perfect for lettuce, herbs, and berries. Washing produce outside. Rinse right in your yard, no muddy sink. A mini plant protector. Flip it upside down over seedlings to block birds and critters. Line it inside a decorative pot so roots don't sit in water. You can also use it as a compost catcher. Rinse your scraps before tossing them into the compost. A seed rinsing and soaking tool. Drying herbs after harvest, so many ways. Don't walk past these either. This is not leftover storage. This is seed starting, propagation, and a mini greenhouse. A 2-pack, all for $1.50. Don't grow it just to waste it. Now listen, Linda, these are not luxury pots, let's be clear. But for herbs, starter plants, quick container setups, these will absolutely do the job. These are my hanging planters at home. Dollar Tree really said, small space gardeners, I got you. Just drill or poke drainage holes if they don't have enough or any at all, because soggy roots equals sad plants. These right here, these are the ones that make people say, wait, that came from where? Some of the newer planters look high-end decor for a fraction of the price, even mimicking expensive brands while staying around $1.50 to $3. Don't walk past these cute ice cube trays. Fill them with herbs, pour in some oil, freeze it, and now you've got seasoning ready whenever you need it. Also available in assorted colors and shapes. If you're new here, I'm Nikki, the everyday life of an OCD-ish chick. I grow food in small spaces, containers, and in raised beds right here in Zone 7B, Maryland. Shout out to the DMV. Now come on, let's keep shopping. I don't care what anybody says, Dollar Tree seeds still hit. Right now in May, especially if you're in Zone 7B, Maryland, you should be grabbing beans, cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, and peppers, herbs like basil, as well as a host of other warm season crops. Perfect for direct sowing, perfect for beginners, and if something doesn't work, you're not crying over $4 seed packets. Now this is where the hidden gems start showing up. These liners. You can use them for hanging baskets, lining containers, even holding moisture in raised beds. Think of it like a little sponge layer for your plants. We're not letting our babies dry out in this May heat, okay? This is a garden cheat code in disguise. This cloche acts as a tiny plant bodyguard, mini greenhouse, and weather bouncer all in one. It has a little adjustable vent on top. That's not decoration, that's control. You can open it or close it depending on how much heat and humidity you want trapped inside. Use them for cold night protection, to speed up the growth of your plants, hardening off helper, pest protection. Now I know some of this stuff is cute, but I need you to shop with intention. Grab things like stakes, markers, small trellises, anything that helps you to track what you planted, support what's growing. That's what you should grab, not just vibes. We need function and flavor. These right here, grab multiples. Are they heavy duty? No. Are they perfect for light harvesting, potting, and quick garden runs? Yes. Keep a pair by your back door, one in your garden bag, and one in the car. Because nothing slows you down like, I don't feel like going to get gloves. Now, this is what y'all be skipping and then wondering why your plants look stressed after harvest. Clean cut versus struggle cut, your plant can tell the difference. Now these tools are budget babies, so treat them like it. Wipe them with alcohol after each use to keep them clean, and don't force them through thick stems. They may dull faster, but for $1.25, we are not complaining. Do yourself a favor and grab the brown paper lunch bags. This is how you turn your garden into a spice rack. Fresh herbs are cute, but dried herbs, that's long-term flavor. These right here, don't skip. Perfect for misting seedlings, foliar feeding, keeping herbs fresh indoors. And if you're like me, you might have one labeled for water and one for fertilizer mix. Organization is peace, and peace grows better gardens. Last thing, and this might be the most important, the check every aisle rule. Because Dollar Tree will randomly have garden ties, twine, baskets, watering cans, even seasonal plant supports. Because if you only go down the garden aisle, you're sure to miss some really good stuff. Besides, the best gardeners, they're resourceful. Let me say this, you do not need a big budget to grow food. You don't need perfection. You need consistency and a little creativity. And places like the Dollar Tree help bridge that gap. If it's growing, we eatin'. Small space, big flavor. Now, I need to know, what's the best thing you've ever found at the Dollar Tree for your garden? Or what did I miss? Because if it's good, we going back. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.